The media is buzzing with reports surrounding Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs and a private conversation she had with Secretary of State Adrian and Attorney General Kris. The discussion allegedly focused on tens of thousands of non-citizen illegal aliens registered to vote in Arizona, violating state law. The story was first reported by Yvonne Wingett Sanchez of the Washington Post, who obtained leaked audio of the call. In it, Hobbs expressed concern over the public's potential reaction if the truth comes out ahead of the 2024 election. When this goes public, every conspiracy theorist out there will revisit the last 3 elections in Arizona, Hobbs said during the call. It's going to give credibility to all the claims about illegal voting, even though we know that's not true. The trio reportedly discussed how the number of non-citizen voters registered in Arizona is around 148,000. But they agreed to lower the figure to 98,000 to downplay the issue. Commenting on X, user George at Behezy Tweets suggested that the conversation was staged. Why else would they leak it to the Washington Post? Central.com attempted to downplay the situation, claiming the non-citizen voters were either a glitch in the system or heavily skewed Republican. Mays reportedly expressed concern during the call that removing these individuals from the voter rolls would open the state up to accusations of rigging the 2024 election, despite the legal requirement that only citizens should vote. If I were in your position, I'd shift those 148,000 voters to a federal-only category and help the counties deal with the extra burden to maintain trust in the system, Hobbs said, noting she doubted all those voters were truly ineligible. Fontes agreed but argued against notifying voters of any change, saying, "I have no intention of telling 148,000 people this close to the election that they need to scramble to fix things." Ultimately, Hobbs accepted Fontes' suggestion, admitting that this decision would cause a storm from critics who claim non-citizens are voting. Hobbs suggested taking the issue to court, which led to the Arizona Supreme Court ruling that removing those voters so close to Election Day would violate due process.